Okay, standard 9. Now we have come to know that all the 6 suitors have been rejected by Portia, and now Narissa also understands that these were not suitable for Portia. Okay, but then she also has got some good news for Portia. He says now, if you're going, the last one was the Duke of Saxony's nephew, the alcoholic. Okay. Then she says, if I have to marry him, that means I have to marry a drunkard or a sponge. A person who consumes a lot of liquor, it is as good as being without him. Okay. Now, Narissa says, you need not fear, lady, the having any of these. So now there is no need for you to fear these 6 suitors. Okay. Lords, they have acquainted me with their determination. So now these 6 suitors have already informed me that they have withdrawn themselves from this lottery system, which is induced to return to their home and to trouble you with no more suit. Okay. He says now they have already made up their mind that they want to return back home and they won't trouble you anymore. That means they have changed their mind in taking part in the lottery system. Now, there was something in the lottery system. So that is why they said, we would love to marry Portia. Okay. But not in the method that her father has imposed. That means the device of the lottery system, where they have to choose 3 caskets. They would definitely want to marry Portia, but not in this manner, maybe with some other means. So now there is something in that casket story which has made the 6 suitors to withdraw. There is something in it. That is why they said we would definitely love to marry Portia, but not through this lottery system. Portia. Now Portia has realized that when these 6 suitors had withdrawn, that means there is something in this lottery system which has made the suitors to fear in taking part. That means there may be some kind of terms and conditions which is making the suitors be nervous or scared. There are some terms and conditions which has frightened the 6 suitors. That is why they don't want to marry Portia in this manner imposed by her father. So that is why now she suddenly changes her opinion about her marriage now. So she says here, if I live to be as old as Sibylla. Okay. Now she says that when she has realized that her father actually did not make any mistake. If they had to be the right one, then they would have definitely taken part in the lottery system. But since they felt not worthy or not worth taking any kind of risk, that is why they have withdrawn. So now she makes up a decision. He says, now if I have to live as old as Sibylla. Now who is this Sibylla? This refers to Diophib, the traditional woman of the ancient Romans. Okay, now this lady had been given a boon by Lord Apollo that if she would carry grains of sand in her hand, as much as sand she could carry, that would give her so many years to live. So though she kept on living without getting married. So now Portia has made a decision. Now if I have to get married, I will marry through my father's device. Means the way my father has decided my marriage. That is the choice of the 3 caskets. because she knows that these people will withdraw. They will not take a chance or take a risk by participating in this casket story. Okay, or in the casket case. So now she says, I don't mind, even if I have to live like an old lady, I will remain unmarried. But I will definitely follow the system proposed by my father, which indeed to return. If I live to be as old as Sibla, I will die as chaste, as Dinah. Now, Dinah is also a goddess of chastity. She is a pure goddess who has not been touched by any god or human being. Okay, she is known for chastity, means pure. Okay, she is also known as the goddess of hunting on earth and also of the moon. So this lady Dinah, not Lady Dinah, goddess Dinah, she is a symbol of chastity. Okay, so she says, I don't mind remaining like a virgin. Even if I have to turn out to be an old woman, I will still be unmarried unless and until somebody comes and picks the right or chooses the right casket. Now Portia has begun to appreciate what her father has imposed for her marriage. Okay, now there is a. Do you remember, lady, in your father's time, a Venetian, a scholar, and a soldier that came hither in company of the Marquis of Montferrat? Okay, now as they were discussing, as Portia has already changed her decision, and now she agrees to follow her father's footsteps, or not footsteps, her father's decision. Then Nerissa reminds her of a Venetian who was a scholar who had once come with Marquis Montferrat, and he is Bassanio. Now, this Bassanio we have been introduced in Act 1, Scene 1. And remember, he was talking to Antonio about the beautiful lady in Belmont, the rich lady, and then the love signals that this lady would give him. So, then Portia remembered, she said, yes, yes, I know it is Bassanio. So she remembers this Bassanio very well. In other words, maybe she may have fallen in love at that time with Bassanio. But here she blushes and she tries to show Nerissa that there is one guy, his name is Bassanio and all that. So true, madam, he of all the men that ever made foolish eyes linked upon was the best deserving of a lady. So now among all the suitors that who have come to marry you, who want to marry you, but I don't think they are as suitable or will be the most appropriate like Bassanio. I feel that Bassanio is the right person to, or the right person for you. So I feel that Bassanio is the right person. Now, while they were talking about Bassanio, a servant enters. So she says, how now, what news? The four strangers seek for you, madam, to take their leave. And there is a forerunner come from a fifth, the Prince of Morocco, who brings word. The prince, his master, will be there tonight. Now the servant has mentioned four strangers. Now actually what has happened, that maybe they may have been four suitors earlier, and then later on two suitors were added. But the remaining part of the play, it was not forwarded or it was not checked, it was not altered. Like the change was made from 4 to 6, but the remaining part of it was not yet. So that is why the servant has mentioned there are four suitors. Now you shouldn't be confused whether it is four suitors or six suitors. Okay. Now the fact remains is that that we know there were six suitors because six suitors were described. And the servant can make a mistake. Instead of saying six, he may have said four. But we keep the numbers aside. Okay. Then he mentions about a messenger had come to state that the Prince of Morocco will be arriving, means his master will be arriving tonight. Okay. Now remember, read this. I'm reading this nicely. Please listen. If I could bid the fifth welcome. Now the servant says the fifth suitor is the Prince of Morocco. He says, I can bid the fifth welcome with so good heart that I can bid the other four farewell. Means the way I welcome the fifth person, in a similar manner I should bid farewell to the four suitors. Here it was not changed. Okay, the number had been changed earlier, but there was no follow-up. I would be glad of his approach. Now Portia says, if the Prince of Morocco arrives, I will be very happy to welcome him. If he have the condition of a saint, means if he comes in the form of a priest, okay, and the complexion of a devil. Now Prince of Morocco, so he says, if he comes to me in the form of a priest, and maybe the color of the skin may be the color of the skin of the devil, that is dark or black. Says, I had rather live should strive me than wive me. Okay, he says now, if he comes in the form of a priest, then I can give him all my due respect. Okay, treat him like a holy figure, but I will not be his wife. If he wants to marry me, then unfortunately I am not going to marry him. That means here we come to know that Portia is color prejudice. So she said away, he said, if he comes as a holy figure, I will give him my due respect. But if he comes to marry me, I will refuse. Come, let us sit up. Go before, while we shut the gates upon one wooer, another knocks at the door. The common saying, when God closes one door, he opens the other. So Shakespeare also uses the same. So let us go and close the gates for some and then open the gates for another suitor. Now this is the end of Act 1, Scene 2. I'll be sending the notes again, and I'm giving you 1 or 2 days more to complete all the extracts, and then I shall be conducting a class test on this particular chapter. Thank you.